I've been doing this now for about 21 years. And I got into this at a young age. My grandfather was a lawyer, and he and I were very close. And my father joined the firm at a young age as well. I remember spending a lot of time with my dad, going to court, seeing the jury system up close, watching cases be tried at a young age. And my family has always stood for the individual as opposed to the corporation, as opposed to the insurance company or the defense team. And we've been fighting for many, many years to preserve people's rights. From my perspective, an individual's right who's been injured should not be limited. They deserve to have their day in court, to allow them to tell their story about what happened to them, and to present their case. At my firm, when people come to see us, we treat each person as an individual. From my perspective, when I go to court with people, I try and be brutally honest with them. I tell them the facts of the case. I tell them what the plaintiff has endured to date, and tell them what the medical evidence is going to show. And it's for the jury ultimately to decide, how do we make this person whole? You can't injure a part of a person without injuring the whole person. So if a person suffers an injury to their foot or their leg or their hand, it doesn't just injure that part of the person. The injury not only affects the whole family dynamic, it affects the community, because then it affects their friends, and it affects their job, and it affects their whole being. When someone's been injured, when they've been harmed, they have the right to seek redress. They have the right to try to be made whole as best as money damages can do. These are people that need our help because they're fighting a system, they're fighting a defense team, they're fighting a corporation, and they can't do it on their own. If you ever need my help, just call my office and I'll be happy to get back to you. My name is Shebell, and I'm an attorney at Shebell & Shebell, and I represent injured people.